So now let's say what you want to find is you want to find, let's say, PDF files online regarding generations of computers and only PDF files. In that case, you can go around and tell Gemini to create a search prompt for you as well. Let's say, for example, in Google search, I want to search for only PDF files about generations of computers right here, just like this. So now if I were to go around and do that right here, then you can see that this is what it actually produces. So it says you can use file type operator in Google search right here. So generation of computers and file types right here, just like this. So if I were to go around onto Google and then paste this out right here and press enter, then what happens is that I get the search result, and whatever search result I have right here are in PDF format, as you can see right here, just like this. Like for example, there's this scholars PDF file right here, and if I were to click on it, then what happens is that it is a PDF file, as you can see right here. So whatever result you get right here are all PDF files, just like that. So over here, if I were to go around and click on this, then this is a PDF file, just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and generate search prompts if you don't know how to write it manually inside of Google search or any other search engines by using Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.